Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
I pity any Rivers man who's going to pick the crumbles from the table. Rivers said, not people. We won't do that. We must take our rightful position. If you don't agree, you must agree. So nobody should be worried. Intimidating me. Some people tell me, oh, be careful, they will kill you. Kill who? Who told you will not die first before you come?
Ancients of days, as old as you are, as old as you are, you will never fail. Ancients of days, as old as you are, as old as you are, you will never change.
So, those of you who are panicking, you don't need to panic. If you have God, what are you afraid of? They have chased us, they have fought us, but today we are standing very, very strong in this state. Let them showcase what they have done in their own state before they talk to us. You don't need to begin to go and beg those who cannot even win ordinary police unit to stay in Abuja to determine to Rivers State what will happen. That will never happen. Today Rivers State is not yesterday Rivers State. You mean as a governor, I will run down to Abuja, begin to lead down to who? Where is the president? Which state does it come from? All those who are saying that should come out, whose state did they come from? That the Rivers man, governor of Rivers State should